Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose and we're back with another video. And as you guys saw by the title, we are going to be unboxing a new thermal printer that my boyfriend got me for Mother's Day. He is the best. I was harassing him the entire weekend to get that and he actually got it. I didn't think he was. So thank you, babe. I love you. If you're watching, you're the best. And I know I'm a pain in the butt. So yeah, if you want to see me unbox it and how it works or whatnot, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for Mother's Day, I asked for a thermal label printer, and this one was on sale for like 20-30 bucks on Amazon. This is from Munbyn. This is not, what do you call it, sponsored. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. Okay, we're not on my usual setup because my beauty room is upstairs and downstairs in my computer room slash gaming room slash office, whatever it is. So yeah, here is the printer. I know it looks this color on the box, but wait till you see what color it is. It is my favorite color, and if you guys know me, you know sis, you know what my favorite color is. Leave it down below right now if you know what my favorite color is, because you a real one. So yeah, this is the Munbyn thermal label printer, and this is what the box looks like when you open it. It just says hello. It's with a whole bunch of like freaking cardboard lids here, and voila. So it says warm tips and then quick tips. So yeah, it comes with this little paper. Comes with a wire to connect to your computers. It says focus on every powerful moment. Oh, it comes with a USB Type-C to connect like with a Mac. Which my next expensive request is going to be an iMac. I'm probably going to ask my dad to get me a MacBook Pro 13-inch, unless they come up with a new one. I may ask for that one, but I'm going to ask him for Christmas. So yeah, so here is the thermal printer. It comes with these little things to keep it nice and secure. It comes with this little baggie. So it comes with a card reader. So this is like a USB, I think. This is a high-speed USB. So it looks like it's a keychain USB type of thing. Let's just open it. Why not? Alright, that's pretty cool. It's like a USB you could put on your keychain. I like that. I like that a lot. But it is, like, how do you lock it in there so that it's not, like, moving around? Okay, whatever. Looks like instructions, a user guide, and then I believe this is like a little stack of some of the labels that I can use. So that's cool. They load us up with a few of those. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. I'm freaking clumsy. Oh my god, it feels so professional. Look at how freaking cute this is. This is the front. This is the top. And then this is the back. You got the on-off switch here, and then the inputs for a Mac or for like the regular wire. And I guess you just open this, you press this button here and it opens. So we'll get into that in a second. There's this thing in here, I don't know what's in here. Okay, this is like the power supply. Cool, I think. So in that little box came these two wires. This connects into this, or this connects to this, and then it plugs into the wall. So I'm going to set that up real quick. Okay, so I followed all the instructions. I have it set up, kind of. Now I'm just going to take this little paper out and try one of these to do a tester. Go on my computer and print a test page. I love it. I freaking love it. How freaking cool is that? So that is the testy page. It looks pretty nice. And it's sticky, and it's pretty sticky too. Put it back on. Cool. So that is how you set that up. You pretty much just follow what it says in here if you have a Mac or a Windows operating system. And yeah, it's all set up on my computer, so I'm gonna leave it right in this little corner. So let me set that up real quick. And that is how I will leave that set up. And now I have a much easier way to print out my labels for when I ship out my nail orders or my giveaway prizes or whatever it is. So yay, happy Mother's Day to me. Thanks babe, love you. He's on his computer so he don't hear me, but yeah. Now I'm gonna end this video and go film my final check-in for this word test. So that brings this little unboxing video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And on that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed. Having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Can you play that again?